Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Apollo workflows for prospecting on LinkedIn step by step clearly. To configure Apollo workflows for prospecting on LinkedIn, start by logging into your Apollo account. Navigate to the Workflows section located in the main dashboard. Click on the Create New Workflow button to initiate a new setup. Select the purpose of your workflow, in this case, choose prospecting. Next, define your target audience by setting specific criteria. You can filter by industry, job title, company size, or location to narrow down the list. Once your criteria is established, move on to the Tasks section. Here, add the specific actions you want to automate. Consider including steps such as sending connection requests, engaging with content, or following prospect accounts. For each task, set the timing and frequency according to your prospecting strategy. After configuring your tasks, review the workflow to ensure everything aligns with your goals. Save your changes and activate the workflow. Now, connect Apollo with your LinkedIn account to enable task execution. Authenticate your LinkedIn account by following the prompts from Apollo. Once connected, test the workflow with a small batch of prospects. Monitor the results and adjust the workflow based on the initial feedback. Regularly review and refine your criteria and tasks as needed to optimize performance. With these steps, you are now ready to effectively configure Apollo workflows for your LinkedIn prospecting efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.